So the shading tab right here, I'm going to go ahead and add Voronoi, I think. Just to give it a nice little pattern. So just scale that outwards ever so slightly. And then I'm going to go with add and colour ramp. And then I'm going to change these colours to whatever I'd like to change them to. So maybe we'll go with the blue. Kind of like a blue opaque kind of colour maybe. Go with red if you wanted to, or you could go blue and green. Yeah, to be honest with you, I quite like that white that's coming into there. And what I could also do as well is I could have a little bit of roughness. So if we go to add and we go noise texture right there, colour to roughness. And what you should start to see after we add the bump is a little bit of diffusion. So if we go with bump, you want to go colour to height. When it loads in. So now we've kind of got this little metallic kind of look. Just increase your distance up at the bottom. And increase your noise as well. Gives it kind of like this nice little bumpy kind of look. So when we render this, we now have this nice little plastic bumpy